I wish I could say I can't fucking believe Sergio, but I can absolutely fucking believe Sergio. I'm glad to be done with him. And Los Panteros. Let's get going with our own thing, huh?
Hey, just a reminder, we're having our first company meeting in a bit. Don't be late.
Company meeting? Nice euphemism. I'll be right there. I don't know, guys. What do you think?
I feel like there's a lot we're missing.
There is, but it's enough to go on for now.
What about criminals? Don't we kind of need more than 3 if we want to call this thing an empire?
There's 4 of us.
Oh, are you planning on shooting anyone?
After that party, I think I'll stick to metaphorical blood on my hands.
Yeah, that's less useful when people try to kill us. Nina's right. We need more people.
We'll look more legit if we have a home base.
You saying we're not legit already? Oh, I love you, but I'm allergic. Yeah, point taken.
All right, let's brainstorm. What would our place need?
I gotta be able to host some parties and have more than a fucking galley kitchen to work with.
I want to be able to set up a proper garage to work in. I don't think Sergio's gonna be letting me near the forge anytime soon.
That's good. What you got?
I don't know, a ball pit? I'm joking. Kind of. I'm kind of joking. It needs to be defensible. We pissed off a lot of people, and let's not kid ourselves, they're gonna try to kill us.
You're fun.
Hey, man, just being real.
For me, we need it to be cheap. We don't have a lot of cash, so we'll probably be looking at a fixer-upper.
So, we need an open space for the interior, a decent plot of land to build a garage. It's gotta hold up in a firefight, and it's gotta be dirt cheap.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a bitch finding.
I got it.
Holy shit, we are so good at this.
There's an old church near Fort Cullen. The sanctuary is huge. I can turn the rectory into a garage. It's condemned, so it's cheap. And it's got a fucking graveyard, so we can stash the bodies.
You fucking rock.
What are we waiting for? Let's check this place out.
Let's go. I'll drive. Where is this church?
Up on 3rd.
Oh, that place.
Guys, look at these pictures. The architectural details look amazing.
Let me see. Nina, this place is in ruins.
I said it was a fixer-upper.
There's a fine line between fixer-upper and money pit.
Relax. The listing says it's being restored by a developer, John Bland.
John Bland, the real estate king of Santa Elisa?
Is he the guy on all those billboards? Why does a guy that into self-promotion stick with a name like Bland?
Bland is no Roger McGillicuddy, but he does restore the place, and we can still get it for cheap. It'll work out.
Assuming the restorations preserve the original facade.
You're not gonna worry about preservation when I put in my state-of-the-art kitchen, are you?
We can discuss that later. That's a lot of heavy equipment for a renovation.
Looks more like a demolition crew.
He's gonna restore this place in the condos.
Not if we do something about it. Get out of here. Who wants to demo a demo crew? Just gonna move this for you. No one's touching that church.
So much for that demolition crew.
Attention! This property is protected by Marshall Defense Industries. Park the bulldozer and come out with your hands up!
What the fuck are these Marshall rent-a-cops doing here?
Shit. Bland must contract with them for security.
Oh, fun.
Hang tight. I'll take care of him.
You are not authorized to be here!
At least Gwen's not here.
Can't get me here!
Surrender in the name of God!
Can't stop.
I'm out!
I see Bland hired the second best.
I'll break every bone in your body! They're aiming at us!
You're dead!
Oh, yeah.
Where the
As
hell
I
are they?
reload, you're dead! You got a problem now. Back away from the church. Stand down, you vandals! Reloading! Get it down!
That's the last of them.
Marshall's down. But they'll be back as long as Bland owns the deed to the property.
Then let's get him to sell.
After this? Not likely.
It'll shake him down and make him hand it over. The idols used to do stuff like that all the time.
Good call. Kev, you're with me.
Where's Bland even at?
Let's call the number on all those billboards and find out.
Bland here. One sec. Mr. Mayor, been an honor talking to you.
Sounds like he's at City Hall.
All right, who's this?
Mr. Bland, I'm calling to take that old mission church off your hands.
Huh? Wait, are you the asshole who just wrecked my demolition site? Listen, fucknut, you set foot on one of my properties again, I'll make sure you can't buy so much as a tool shed in this town.
Well, that was uncalled for.
Let's go take his ass for a little ride.
Hey, is that him in that car?
Same dickish face as the billboards. Get the fuck out! Hi there. Me again. You gonna make this easy and give me the deed to the church?
You? Go fuck yourself.
Bad answer, John. I hope you don't get carsick.
Let's show this shitbag a little Santo Eliso drift.
Jesus! Stop the fucking car! What are you doing? What are you doing? Whoa, 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 whoa! What are you, crazy?
Yeah, John, we are. Now give us the D.
No way!
Okay, guess we're gonna have to play hardball.
Where are you taking me?
I told you, to play hardball. In traffic.
Wrong side of the road! This is how you do business?
That's right, man. We're local.
Just give us the deed.
No!
Guess the ride's not over yet. Final offer, John. You're not leaving here unless we get what we want.
Think he can handle a little airtime?
I'm gonna be sick! Fine, take the deed. Take my whole damn briefcase. Just leave me alone.
Pleasure doing business with you. This car is also ours now, too. So get the fuck out. That worked out great. We got the deed and a briefcase.
Yeah. Plus we blew up some shit, did some sick drifts, and stole the church.
All in a day's work. Ready to head home?
Home? I like the sound of that. Ooh, I'm gonna post about it. Yada yada da, yada da da da. Hashtag take me to church, hashtag new digs on this, hashtag list. And posted. Oh look, I already got a like.
Seriously? How many followers do you have there?
DJ Kev has his fans.
Let's murk this tool!
Nothing dead.
Won't win silence!
Marshall backed off. You get the deed?
Yep, we got the dude's whole briefcase.
Let's get inside. You got the keys?
Keys? No, just the briefcase.
No problem. I'm sure I can get in through a window or something and open it up.
Why don't we just break down a door?
Not my door.
Whoa, calm down, Dad.
Do you know how much a door costs? We own this place. We have to pay for that shit.
You know what's right. This place is awesome.
Hey, check it out! Cool graveyard!
Yeah!
Hang on, I'm getting a call. Oh shit, you better hear this.
Hi, Kevy. We saw your post. Congrats on the new digs. We adore your takedown of that gentrifying dig.
Who is that?
The collective.
The idols want to throw you a housewarming party.
Fuck. Their parties get violent.
Gracias, but no.
I wasn't asking. Duh. See you soon, Kevin.
I'll get the door. Hang tight. We've got company coming.
Have you seen what's in this briefcase?
Not now, Eli. Get inside.
And maybe revisit your stance on guns? Oh, yeah.
Yeah! How's the home?
You're gonna rue that!
I could use some backup in the graveyard.
I'm coming, Kev! We've got company coming.
Have you seen what's in this briefcase?
Not now, Eli. Get inside.
And maybe revisit your stance on guns?
You can't own
should be
land.
scared.
It belongs to everyone.
Another one down.
I could use some backup in the graveyard.
I'm coming, Kev!
Reload. Reload.
You got brass balls.
Killing time. Surrounded. I can't wait to deface that facade.
Light work.
Autos are in the church. Help!
I've got you, Eli. Kev doesn't want you.
Now it's
Get
my
over
turn.
it.
There's something.
Watch out!
Oh, it's about to get fun.
I did that. That was me. Hey, what did I do?
Reloading! I'll kill you some other time. No!
Yeah! How's the homecoming, Kevin?
Hell of a housewarming. Guess all that's left to do is check out the new digs.
Yeah, okay. Dead bodies notwithstanding, this place is pretty great.
Right? There's a lot of potential here. A lot of work to do, but still.
We're actually gonna do this, aren't we?
You goddamn right we are.
Well, at least we've got a cool logo.
I'll take it off the whiteboard.
We need a name.
The Saints. We call ourselves the Saints.
This place has so much potential. Can't wait to decorate. I've got a list of stuff that'll really complete the vibe, you know?
We don't exactly have the budget for home decor right now.
No problem. There's a nice cheap way. Come with me to Fort Cullen and I'll show you. There's a bunch of cool collectibles around town that would look amazing in the church. All we have to do is find a thing we want, snap a picture, and boom. It'll just show up there.
Really? How does that work?
It works.
Yeah, but how?
It just works. Don't overthink it.
Do you know someone with like a 3D printer or something?
I do, actually. Remember Teddy?
Your ex? The guy with the ponytail?
Other ex-Teddy. The woman with the mohawk. Right, so here's how it works. I think the Western Golden Cannon would rock at the church. Just take a picture of it. All right, let's head back and see what we got.
So, Teddy. It was cool.
She still is. I was thinking maybe next time we do a karaoke night, I'll invite her. Unless she's back with Melissa, of course.
Ugh, Melissa.
She has a good heart. Ooh, how about we put the cannon here? Nice. That looks badass. Keep a lookout for the rest of the shit on that list, huh? This place has so much potential.
Hey, Eli, what's up?
I hereby invite you to the inaugural meeting of the Saints Board of Directors.
Oh, that sounds pretty corporate structure-y.
It'll be donuts.
On my way.
Okay, so we got the name, we got the home base, we got the logo.
So that means next step is to find people that can shoot guns?
No.
So that means next step is to make connections with people that can shoot guns.
Oh, come on, man. We want this thing to be more than a street gang. We want to be an organization, an institution. And that means we need to have our fingers in more pies.
You got an idea where to start?
As a matter of fact, I do. Okay. Everyone's action item is to reach out to their contacts and see what new business opportunities you can find for the Saints.
Shit. My contacts all have their own things going already.
What about JR? Your partner's on his garage, right?
Maybe he'll go all in with the Saints?
Couldn't hurt to ask.
Great. What about you, Nina?
I can't talk to any of my old Panteros contacts. But I do know some people who did business with them. I'm sure I can persuade them to do business with us instead.
Nice.
You want contacts? I got contacts, baby.
Okay, go be superstars. Meantime, I'm gonna finish going through that briefcase we got from John Bland. That thing's a treasure trove, let me tell you. Everyone, keep me posted on your progress.
JR, how'd you like to be a part of something big? My friends and I are starting a new venture.
Sounds awful nice, but our current venture's in trouble. Those Panteros are cutting into our profits something fierce.
I'll tell you what, join our new thing, and no one's ever gonna mess with this garage again.
Well, you take care of this Panteros problem, and I'll consider it.
Deal.
Yep,
So how are these Panteros fucking with our business?
you name it. Undercutting costs, scaring off our customers. Sergio sent this jacked up mountain of a dude named Derek to run me out of business any way and every way he can. You take care of his toughs at the park, maybe you'll scare him enough to go mess with someone else.
Say no more. Jim Rob's garage is off limits. Show your face there again, you're dead.
The old man sent you?
Pressing me? You mess with JR, you mess with us. The Saints protect what's ours.
Howdy.
Hey, JR, I took care of the crew in the park.
I'll be. Let's go after their supply lines next. Derek's got a crew at the train depot smuggling in crates of stolen parts. That's how they keep undercutting my prices.
Don't worry, I got this.
Feel free to blow up their cars, too. Panteros get real bugged by that.
Hey, Eli. I'm cleaning up a Panteros problem for JR, and I think he's in. How's the rest of the team doing?
Great. Kevin knows so many people.
Ha! Bet all he has to do is buy them coffee to get them to sign on. While I'm busting my ass torching Panteros cars.
Come on. You know you love it.
I really do. Can't stop.
ain't your territory, dumbass!
It is now. Fuck with Jim Rob, you answer to the Saints.
You know I'll
Hey!
We're coming in from the side.
Hey!
beat your ass! I'll find you soon.
Whoa!
Gotta get behind something.
Don't pull it! Fuck! You're dead!
Fuck him up!
You just signed up for something bad. Ah!
Don't challenge me!
Another one down. Tell Sergio, Jim Rob's garage is under the Saints' protection.
Jim Robs.
2 for 2, JR.
Son of a gun, you still got it. Only thing left to hit is Derek's HQ. It's down on the corner. Oh, hell's bells. You gotta get back here. Derek and his crew just rolled up on me.
This is what you get for fighting back, old man!
You get off of my land!
Fuck. Better hurry. I'm gonna say this one last time. Stay away from JR.
Challenging me!
Ain't working. You're gonna regret this.
I got it!
Fuck! Fuck me! No! 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 Ah!
I'll end this here.
You don't stay in line, you burn! I'm fucking mad. Never fuck with our car. Sergio's not gonna forget this. It's gonna be like that, huh?
This is what I do.
That settles Derek and his crew. Right thoughtful of them to bring the fight to us.
So? What should I tell my friends? Are you in?
I'm in. What do you call this new outfit?
We're the Saints. Welcome aboard. Well, we can count JR in. What is this? It's not board game night.
No, this is where all our dreams come true.
Don't say that. My dreams are pretty weird.
While you were out talking to JR, I was going through the briefcase we got from John Bland, the real estate guy.
Turns out the deeds of the church wasn't the only thing in there.
As of now, we are the proud owners of a shit ton of empty lots all across town. That's real estate we can use to start up some new, entrepreneurial ventures.
By which he means crimes.
Fine, yes, crimes.
Nice. You did say we need to have our fingers in more pies.
I've got that covered. I spent the whole day baking my ass off. Okay, fine. They're empanadas.
That's not a pie.
It's in the pie family.
Now I'm really hungry.
Plan first, eat later.
Right. So, how do we cover all this ground?
One building at a time.
So far, we've got the church.
And Jim Robs.
So what do we build next?
Whatever we want.